Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today, I thought that it would be appropriate to do another makeup look video. So today, I'm going to do kind of like a really tropical look using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. First, I'm going to start with doing my eyebrows. I like my eyebrows to be pretty natural looking. I like the shape that they already had. I'm going in with some concealer to shape the eyebrows how I want them to be. I carve out exactly the shape that I want. And then I'm going to do that to the other side and blend it out. Okay, so now that I've done my eyebrows, I'm going to go in and prep my eyelids with the NYX Glitter Primer. I like using this than normal primers because it makes all of my eyeshadows super vibrant and stay on my lids all day long. So I'm just going to use my finger and just tap it around and spread it on the lid. So for this makeup look, I'm going to immediately take a brush and go into this yellow color. And I'm gonna first put that at the inner corner of the eyelid on my crease and start to spread it out. Okay, so now I'm going to take the orange that is right next to this. I'm gonna start towards the middle, alright, and then slowly blend it into the yellow you just put down. This is going to help give it a gradation effect, and that's kind of what we're going for. Remember to blend out the very edges of your makeup so that it's not such a harsh line. So once you put down that orange, now you're going to take the kind of reddish pink. It looks kind of pinkish to me, but the red color, and take that and put it all the way on the outer corner of the eyelid, and then move it a little into the orange to create that nice gradation effect. So you have from lightest to darkest. Kind of like a sunset. So once that's done, this is the eyeshadow that you should have. Now it looks a little crazy, that's okay. Now what we're going to do next is to cut the crease. So the best way to cut the crease is to take some concealer and put it on a brush, flat-headed brush like this one. And then I'm going to go in starting at the inner corner of my eye and start to carve out the shape that I want. Now I'm going to open my eye and look forward and see where that is going so that if it needs to be higher or lower, I can do that. Now with this, I like to kind of fade it out at the end. So first carve out the top and then lightly pat it right here. We're going to blend this with this red color we put down here. So now I'm going to do that to the other eye really quick. So once that's about even, I'm going to take that red color I just had and I'm going to blend it into where this crease kind of ends. This is a lot of padding and a lot of judgment. So just blend it to the best of your abilities and really finesse the shape. Get the shape that you want. I'm going to do that to the other side really quick. So for the next part of this makeup look, I'm actually going to take this purple color and I'm going to start from the outer edge of this of the lid and start to spread it over towards the center. Mixing it a little bit with the red. This is a really pigmented purple, so I may have to go in with the red again to blend it out a little bit better on the side. Okay, so now that I have that purple on, the final step in the eyeshadow is to take this turquoise shimmer shade in the palette and start from the inner corner, swiping it out so that it blends into the purple. Just like that. So I'm going to do that to the other side and I will be back. So once you've blended out that blue color, this is how the eyeshadow should look. The next thing I'm going to do is my winged eyeliner. Okay, so I've done my eyeliner and the eyes are almost done. I just need to put on mascara and eyelashes, but before I do that, I like to do my face makeup. So, taking my foundation and dotting it around. My face has been relatively clear lately, which is nice. But I'm still gonna use like 5 pounds of foundation and concealer because, you know, that's who I choose to be. And then just blend this out with Beauty Blender. Foundation on, we know what time it is. Concealer time. I like to kind of just conceal where my high points are, but of course you can do this however you want. And especially get like whatever acne my foundation did not cover. There we go. So I'm going to blend this out, and again, I will be right back. Okay, so now that I've got that all blended out, I'm going to set that with some powder. Okay, so now that I've got the powder on, I'm then going to go in with some blush. This is the Milani Rose Powder Blush in Tea Rose. So with blush, I like to go in the apples of my cheek and then lift up so we can carve out that cheekbone. So rosy. Okay, so next up I take bronzer to start beginning to carve out where I want my contour to go. So I have the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. It's really nice. It smells like coconut. And going in. Starting to get somewhere. After that, I go in with my real contour. And this was, you know, funny story about this. I got this from Ulta for my birthday one of these years. And I really ended up liking it. I like the color, I think it goes well with my skin, and it blends really nicely, especially with other products. And this is the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Ultra Bronze Bronzer. Okay, so I'm going in with my contour. I really like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with some highlight. I like using this Duo Light Highlight 9-color palette by BH Cosmetics. This is amazing. It's very pigmented, and there's different colors. But since we're doing kind of like a really kind of tropical look, we're gonna go with this kind of like goldish, reddish sunset. It's called Top It Off. We're gonna go with that one. I just like to tap it on all of the high points of the face. Alright. So now I'm going to find a lipstick. I'm going to do a combination today. I'm going to do the NYX Professional Makeup Shine Loud Lead Everything. It has like the gloss on the end. Once that's dried down, I'm going to layer on top of it this is an orange shimmer lip tattoo, Stay the Night collection. It doesn't really have a brand. I don't know where I found this, but I really like it. It has this like really pretty orange shimmer. It's not gonna focus. But while I wait for that to dry, I'm gonna really quick put on my mascara and eyelashes. Okay, I lied a little bit because I didn't quite get to my false lashes, but I put some mascara on, and I'm just gonna go in with this lip topper since my lipstick has dried. Just a little bit goes a long way. It made that nice little shimmer, warmed up the color a bit, but didn't take away from the pink. Okay, so now I'm going to go and put on my eyelashes, and then that should be it for the makeup look. I will be right back. Okay, so here's the makeup look. I really like it. I think that it's super colorful. It's definitely kind of like a head turner. You could go anywhere in summer and people be like, whoa, look at that eye makeup. I kind of look like a bird. Kind of bird colors. But yeah. So, this is everybody's favorite part of the makeup video. This is where Marky does the egotistical, narcissistic montage. Here we go. I always feel super awkward doing montages like that, especially if like somebody were to just walk in. That'd be embarrassing. But anyways, that's the video, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like this video so that you can be notified every single time I post a new one. Give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it. And go ahead, tell me in the comments, what'd you think? Did you like this look? What should I do next? I can do an array of different makeup looks. Probably the next video will be something fashion related because I might go flip flop, who knows. Anyways, I really like this makeup look. I feel like you can truly achieve so much with a cut crease. Well, anyways, here's some bloopers. Bye, guys. Ooh, look at how beautiful that is. My skin looks so good, other than a few spots. It's been a long time since I did curly hair. Crazy. So now that... Thank you, Skype. Okay, guess that's my catchphrase this video. I'll be right back. Marky, the TV show host. After these messages, we'll be right back. I can't find my brush. Where is it? We go through this every single time. And this is only the second makeup video, and I've lost my brush again! Oh, I found it. Ooh, who's texting me? Love this eyeliner. Like, really, I think the beginning, I look very different than what we achieve at the end.